Hello friends, in this video I going to show you how to insert bullet points in MS Word document. So friends, if you want to insert bullets, so open MS Word and here you will find option for bullets inside paragraph. So just you need to select it. Now press enter. Now press enter. So it will create automatically after selecting bullets like this. And friends, if you want to change style for bullets, so select and click on this drop down and select another style like this. So it's very quick and very easy method to insert bullets in MS Word. Hopefully friends, you like this video. Thanks for watching this video.